Hey guys, I'm Brufio, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. It's the 1st of January 2025 and I wish you all the best, good success with your music, health, whatever you wish for. Today we are diving into an all-time favorite of mine, EZKeys by Toontrack. This video is not sponsored, but I shared a video on my German channel some years ago, I think 8 or 9 years ago, and it went very well. Still today, I'm using EZKeys, even though I have amazing pianists on my hand and I can play a lot of stuff on the piano myself. I use EZKeys all the time. It's sounding professional. I can make so many ideas happen. In another video, I already showed you how I just made a hit single with Pietro only using EZKeys in like 1 hour. We used the songwriter mode, grabbed something out, went to the studio, shot a video, and it has now over 1.4 million views, I think. Yeah, it's very successful. I thought I have to share with you the same tool that I shared with on my German channel. That's why we're diving deep into EZKeys today. I'm using EZKeys 2 now because that's what's currently out. But I don't have many packs for EZKeys. I don't upgraded a lot of stuff and you will see that you can really do a lot of things. So I have a demo that Pietro sent me with his phone. I will import it, extract the vocals from the piano he played and then try to make something better on the piano. Scratch out the tempo, align the vocals and we can work on it. I upgraded to EZKeys 2 yesterday and I love the interface. It's a Fazioli grand piano that they sampled and it's very beautiful. I have like 2 or 3 packs, as I said. It's like the ballads pack and the songwriter pack. But most of the things I will show you today you can do with no pack or a lot of packs, the ultimate pack, I don't know. And we dive in, test out the sounds when using a Midi keyboard, which is also great for that. So inspiration, songwriting. If you don't play any piano, it's also great for you. For a lot of hip-hop producers maybe, or even singer-songwriters that only play guitar, that's amazing. Or for producers, you name it. I love EZKeys, as you can tell. Even though I downloaded it yesterday and played with it around, it's as intuitive as the first version. The sound is even better, I think. So if you are thinking EZKeys is old news, out since 2000, I don't know, 10 or something like that, 14, I don't know. But it's, I think, 10 years old because I used it in my studio back in 2014, I'm pretty sure. No, it's not old news, it's still a banger. All right, and I used this bad boy for over a decade now. It still holds up in 2025. So let's dive into Cubase. Are you ready? Let's go.
Träume werden wahr. Doch warum tut es weh in diesem Augenblick? Es ist schon okay, es ist so weh. Ich werd dich vermissen, doch ich hab keine Wahl.
So it also has a rap part where he plays some soft stuff, so it goes like dun, 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 dun. And I will show you how you can build stuff like that very easy. Okay, so I imported the demo first, then I extracted the piano from the vocals using spectral layers. So if you want to know more about spectral layers, I can show you that as well. In another video, you can separate different instruments from vocals and make remixes or stuff like that. But in order to ask him, hey, send me the vocal dry and the piano, I just export it myself and then get to work. I also chopped it up to 90 BPM. So that's why it's cut a lot of stuff and it doesn't sound amazing now.
Träume werden wahr.
Some fades. What I did now is I just muted the piano. You can of course extract the chords. You can just drag and drop the piano in Cubase and put it up there and the chords will appear here. So I just had a guidance. It's only 4 chords: F sharp minor, E major, B minor, D. I played around with it. So this is it. This is EZKeys 2. It's the piano. So maybe we should also solo it. And what I love about EZKeys, I always loved it, is that you can also see what you're playing. So if you're playing like an A minor on the piano, you will see an A minor here. You can see now here everything that I did was just put in the chords and then have different patterns. So you have here the keys, that's the interface we are right now. You can see the Fazioli in the studio. You can also put on some effects, hall reverb, EQ, noise, stuff like that. You can also buy different sounds, different grand pianos. Look, this is the first now. It looks like this. Okay, it's also different. And we have like different effects preset. So, but overall, that's the piano. So if you have a MIDI keyboard and you just play, that's what you need. You just open up an instance of TuneTrack, EZKeys, and you can play. Then we have the grooves, and this is really, really nice. So here you can see I don't have many packs. So I have EZKeys 1 and 2, of course. And then I have add-on packs, ballads 2, hip-hop, and keys and strings. That's my libraries. Not a lot. And I use those for over 10 years now. So I'm not, most of the time I'm changing stuff up, and I will show you how I do it. But you can here go to Tap to Find. You can now either record something and it finds you similar stuff, or you can click a rhythm. For example, I want only chords. Okay, so now I go to search, and you can see here 100% bar matching. So that's already great. So let's use that and put it in here. Okay, so now you have the pattern without the chords. If I delete it again, put it in here, so you can get everything that is played in the original key and tempo. So it is from the keys and strings pack, and it's indie pop 76 BPM. So now you can see here we follow the host. So if I play something in Cubase, it follows the host. But you can also just unfollow the host and do it yourself. We have time signature for 4, the tempo 90. This follows also the host then. And the key is F sharp minor. That's what I put in. You can also put the relevant majors, whatever. But now I show you what's very important. If I have now the chords, the chords are A, then A sus4, and it goes on and on with A and A sus4. We have different chords now. So I click here, and because I chose the key F sharp minor, I'm already having the chords here laid out from F sharp minor. So even if you don't know any music theory, you can use it, because every chord will sound great with F sharp minor. So the first one is it. So you can here edit the chord. You can say F sharp minor 7. Now it's in F sharp minor 7. You can also click here. Diminished, add 9, everything you want. If I only want F sharp minor, it's so nice. Or you just click here. Okay, next chord was E. You can also preview the sound. Go to B minor, D. So this is now still a D sus4. So what I do is just click it. Now it's a D. So I can then go in there, delete it, push Alt, drag and drop, easy going. We just copied it. Can rename it here, but it's the intro, it's fine. So let's listen to it. Okay, so that's nice. But it sounds it's too much in the upper range, played in the upper range. So let's go in, and we can just drag the octave down. See how it moves? All right, let's play it. Okay. So before you continue watching the video, I just wanted to let you know that I made some nice ebooks on how to get better home studio recordings, perfect vocals, mix and mastering, and I also made a drum sample pack with all my essential drums that I use on a day-to-day basis, so electronic, real and 80s drums, and you can get them all for free now. Just go to brufiomusic.com/gift, download them, and you're good to go. And if you have a Roland Fantom, I even give you my Roland Fantom preset pack. So let's get back to the video. So that's also cool. Put it back to 0. Now you can say, okay, edit the length and all that good stuff. But let's say, okay, I don't want long, boring chords. I want something like this here. Let me check. Here, there we have some melodies. Then we just drag and drop it down. Okay, so let's play that. So it just took over. Now I want to change that because the D doesn't sound good, it's just too short. So what we do now is click double and we come into the grid editor. That's very nice. So now I can say, okay, this D here, I want to have it longer, just like a Midi editor. And also I want to have it a little bit quieter. You can also change all the dynamics, so they are the same. Let's play it like this. So it's so easy, and what is also great is now I have the groove here that I like. Let's put it in the MIDI drop zone here, and it will find me similar stuff that I have here. For example, you can see 97%. Here's a lot going on. And this has now more chords than we have, but if we drag it down, you see it will still play it and then put in the second chord E and just change the chord voicing. It's so great. You can also say, okay, I want to have like an ending here. Let's see what endings we have. Yes. So what do you need else for a piano? So that's, I don't know, it's so good. You can also, if you just like a sound of your specific piano VST more, you can just drag those MIDI files, then put it onto another track where you have your keyscapes or stuff like that. And it will play in keyscapes. But all the work before you can do here. Here is the band made now. This is also cool. We know that from Easy Tune Track. You can drag audio or MIDI here, and then we can have, like with easy bass, easy keys, easy drums, we can make like a band that follows each other with chords and stuff like that. But I don't want to go into that as well now. Here you can see the standard sounds that you have, dark room, stuff like that, mellow. You can have effects, lo-fi vinyl, pads. I use pads also a lot. And you can also have some presets here, jazz. I mean, sky is the limit, to be honest. I really do love it. So now you will see what I did with Pietro's song. So let's play it.
Träume werden wahr. Doch warum tut es weh in diesem Augenblick? Es ist schon okay. Vielleicht sehen wir uns wieder. Ich muss jetzt los. Nimm die letzte Bahn. Ich werd dich vermissen.
No more. Now the part. Lot of dynamic. That's it, guys. EZKeys from Toontrack. I really love it, and it paid me back a lot more than I paid for it. I upgraded it now, I think, for 99 bucks from EZKeys 1 to 2, but I think it's 150 euros, 149. Just check it out on Toontrack. As I said, no affiliate link. I just promote this because I love it, and you should use it if you are a pianist, if you are not a pianist, if you are a producer, if you are a songwriter. And that's also the case for Easy Bass or Superior Drama. Everything's so intuitive. So, as I said, Happy New Year 2025. We see us very soon in the next video. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Peace out.